On March 1st, Tallahassee Women Lawyers hosted its third annual Rookie Camp at the Florida Supreme Court. The event is tailored to assist new attorneys and law students navigate their first years of practice. The program emphasized the importance of professionalism and reputation in the practice of law. Justice George Labarga of the Florida Supreme Court spoke on the importance of the new civility clause added to the oath required by all attorneys in the state of Florida. The students received advice on financial responsibility and tips on how to market themselves in the digital age.
It's really insightful to see people in this field who already have their careers developed and have made the right choices along the way, and we can ask them about their decision making along the way.
I think it's really beneficial for people who are still looking to make connections with people, older professionals in the legal community that they may have not been able to. Like myself, I'm a recent transplant to Tallahassee, so meeting people who are more experienced than me and getting some of their wisdom and feedback is definitely something that I think is worthwhile.
A substantial portion of the program was dedicated to a speed mentoring session. The mentors included judges from the Florida Supreme Court, as well as a First District Court of Appeal, along with experienced attorneys from the Tallahassee area.
When you're applying to get admitted to the Florida Bar, going through the bar application process, you're having your application reviewed by the Florida Board of Bar Examiners. Well, under Rule 3-11 of the rules relating to admissions to the bar, financial irresponsibility can be a disqualifying factor when the board is reviewing your application.
And there's an old saying, and maybe this is something that you should remember, it's an old saying about how chance favors the prepared mind. And, you know, always be prepared when chance occurs and you jump on it. And don't do all those things when you're very young that may 20 years later cause you not to get something. You don't want somebody digging up something you did very silly. And we see those things with bar admissions.
We're talking about my personal experiences and how my experiences might benefit them, give them some feedback on what some of their thoughts are. But when I'm in my robe and I'm presiding over a case, there's nothing personal about that. It's straight professional. And today, they have a chance to interact with judges, lawyers, deans, and other people in the legal community on a very personal level.
This event was made possible in part by a grant from the Florida Bar.